This how-to video you will learn how to set up business accounting and automatically capture sales, expenses and inventory assets transactions with Omnibasis. OmniLedger is the all-in-one cloud financial and accounting software with comprehensive set of tools to organize your finances, track payables, and manage bills and expenses with no monthly fees. It is completely and seamlessly integrated with all other products and solutions on Omnibasis like e-commerce, inventory management, customer loyalty, payments and billing, blockchain. In this tutorial, we will configure your business currency, set up business accounts and connect them to the e-commerce store and product inventory. Finally, we will do a purchase on our e-commerce store and review all the ledger transactions generated. First, we will create a currency support for our business. Omnibasis support any type of currency. You can manage your ledger in one or many currencies. You can use an existing currency or create your own. Navigate to omniLedger, Currencies, to create a new currency. Select Create from menu option at the top right corner. Select an existing definition for the currency or create your own. We will create USD currency. In the next step, we also configure our own currency, called Dolphin. Next, we will review our chart of accounts. Use the chart of accounts in Omnibasis to record and categorize your transactions and generate reports. To view your chart of accounts, navigate to OmniLedger, Ledger Accounts. From here you can 1. Click View to view account details. 2. Click View Transactions to view a list of transactions that use that account. 3. Add, edit or delete accounts to manage your business's needs. 4. To enter new ledger transaction that uses that account. 5. Export your chart of accounts. Next, we will add a new account. Navigate to OmniLedger, Ledger Accounts. Select Create from menu to create a new account. Use Configure section to configure account. 1. Select Type. Each account has an account type which OmniLedger uses to determine where the account appears in your financial reports. Some account types are used for specific purposes. 2. Give it a name. Every account in OmniLedger must have a name up to 256 characters. 3. Optionally configure account parent using subaccount of. 4. Select currency for this account. Note, if no currency is defined, you need to define your ledger currency first. 5. If you want to create statements for this account, select Create Statements. Next, navigate to Detail section to set up detailed rules for the account. Here you find various options available to add more details for your account. If you want all transactions to this account to be approved, turn on Require Approval of New Transactions. All of Omnibasis products offer an optional integration with blockchain. You can connect your account transactions to the blockchain to track every transaction on the account. Navigate to Blockchain section. 1. Turn on Use Blockchain Network to verify and store transactions. 2. Select Blockchain Network or use Default. 3. Select Encrypt Data to turn on Encrypt on all stored data. 4. Optionally, you can require user to use Paraphrase for blockchain transactions. Lastly, we will connect our account with OmniPass to allow us to download and install Mobile Wallet Pass to keep up to date on changes to our account. Before connecting to OmniPass, we need to design our mobile pass. Detailed how-to tutorial is available to help you to learn how to design a mobile wallet pass. Navigate to OmniPass section. 1. Select digital pass definition you want to use for your mobile wallet. We will use Dolphin Expense Report Pass. 2. Map the account fields to mobile wallet pass fields. When account is updated, for example a new transaction is posted, OmniPass will automatically update a mobile wallet and will notify you. Click Save to save your work. We are ready to submit a transaction on this account. In the next step, we set up some automation. Specifically, we want to track all of our online sales into the specific ledger account automatically and all our inventory cost into cost of goods sold. Navigate to the product you want to manage from OmniCommerce. Manage Catalog. Products, select Manage next the product from the drop-down option menu. 1. Select Pricing Rules section. 2. Select Edit from drop-down action menu next to the status on the list to edit an existing rule or create a new one. In Pricing Rule, navigate to Sales Information section to connect the sales of the product with this rule to a specific OmniLedger account. We will select Dolphin Merchandise Sales. Next, navigate to Expense Information section to connect the sale of the product to a specific OmniLedger account. Your product expenses can be configured here and associated with a specific ledger account, like cost of goods sold. We will select Dolphin Hats Expenses. Before we're ready for a full automation, we will configure our inventory and connect it to the OmniLedger. Use Tracked Inventory in OmniLedger to count stock and account for the cost of goods sold. You can also report on the quantity and value of stock you have on hand. 1. Navigate to Inventory section. 2. If no inventory is created, create your product inventory, clicking Add Inventory. 3. To modify inventory, select Manage from drop-down options next to the inventory information. To configure ledger transactions, select OmniLedger account that will be used to track inventory assets. Set up the cost of goods sold here with optional setup fee and currency amounts. If nothing is entered, you can enter the cost of goods sold when you add new inventory. Now we are ready to take an order. For the next step, we will use Store Manager interface to place an order for a customer. For details on how to create an order for a customer, please watch How to Create an Order for a Customer, Send an Invoice or Collect a Payment with Omnibasis. Here are quick steps. 1. Navigate to Order Management. 2. Create a new order. 3. Select a product. 4. Complete a payment. Once order is completed, OmniLedger will create transactions based on the rules we set up. Let's review. You can see transactions just for this order in Transactions section or navigate to OmniLedger to see accounts and transactions. Select Transactions section of this order management to see a list of transactions for this order. Navigate to OmniLedger, Ledger Accounts to see accounts balances and Ledger Transactions to see transactions. Using Options menu, you can always trace them back to the original order. Note that all of our ledger accounts have been updated: account receivables, sales, expenses, and inventory assets. There are many more features available with OmniLedger to help you grow your business, like tax collection and compliance, customer portal, billing and invoicing, recurring payment processing, just to name few. For many more options available for business accounting, visit our OmniLedger help sections on help.omnibasis.com. We will cover them in details in other how-to videos. This concludes how to set up business accounting and automatically capture sales, expenses, and inventory assets transactions with Omnibasis.
Thank you for watching Omnibasis how-to videos. To keep up to date, subscribe to our channel. If you have more questions, visit help.omnibasis.com.